Is a lion stronger than a tree? My child, ask me, my child, ask me. Is a lion stronger than a tree? Will you be awake yet? Will your eyes have opened on the day? Why am I in one place? Why are you so very far away? Why are you so very far away? And will the days I miss you help you grow? Or will the days you miss me sorrow so? And will the days I miss you help you grow? Or will the days you miss me sorrow so? The tree she stands, her roots dig deep, her arms are home so broad and green. Though she may change as winter comes and dark nights cling around her soul, her sturdy heart in one place she will stay. And is a lion stronger than a tree? My child, ask me, my child, ask me. Is a lion stronger than a tree? And I said, oh, the answer to your question I don't know. And I said, oh, go fling your question at the stars and trace them back to earth again, and find them treasured deep inside my heart. And is a lion stronger than a tree? My child, ask me, my child, ask me. Is a lion stronger than a tree? And is a lion stronger than a tree? My child, ask me, my child, ask me. Is a lion stronger than a tree? And I said, oh.